Welcome to Godrej Habitat here in Gurugram. I am Sarang Saluja and today I will not only be giving you a tour of the project but also be showing you the sample apartment. To start off, let me give you a brief about Godrej Properties as a brand. Godrej Properties combines a 123 years old legacy of trust with a commitment to cutting edge design and technology. We are present in 12 cities across the country and are developing 14 projects in NCR. Godrej Habitat is our most secured address for every walk of life at the heart of Gurugram. Godrej Habitat is located in Sector 3, Gurugram. The project is very well connected to two major highways, that is the upcoming Dwarka Expressway and National Highway number 48. The project is also very well connected to Airport, IFCO Chowk Metro Station, Huda City Centre Metro Station, Rajiv Chowk and railway station. All the social infrastructure needed is also just a stone throw away from our project. To elaborate, prominent schools like DAV, Salwan Public School, Ryan International, Presidium School, hospitals like Sheetla Hospital, Artemis, Sarvodaya Hospital, Columbia Asia, malls and shopping complexes like Huda Market Sector 4, Star Mall, Ansal Plaza, Gurgaon Dreams Mall are all very near to our project, hence making it a best choice for a home buyer. Godrej Habitat has a land parcel of 7.468 acres which comprises of 4 standalone towers in which there are 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK units. All the towers are ground plus 17 structures. Tower 1, 3 and 4 are 6 to a core with 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK on each floor, whereas Tower 2 is a 4 to a core with 2 BHK and 3 BHK on each floor. Towers have a double-heighted entrance lobby. Godrej Habitat has only 384 units, which makes it a very low-density development. There is a one entry and exit for the residents and a separate entrance and exit for the EWS. The project has 70% of the open and green area. Some of the prominent amenities include a jogging track of 0.88 kilometers throughout the periphery. Also, every corner of the project is having a different garden theme. So as we can see, this first corner is dedicated for herbal garden. Second corner is Panch Tattva track. Third corner is for yoga meditation spot. Fourth corner is the gaming zone. And last corner is dedicated for toddlers as kids play area. Also, there are 5 shops in the project for daily purpose needs. In this project, we are using the most latest technology, which is Maiwan shuttering, also known as aluminium formwork. This project is based on the theme of safety and security. Godrej Habitat has 5-tier security at every level, starting from the periphery level, project level, tower level, unit level and club level. At the periphery level, we are providing automatic boom barriers, barbed wires, number plate reader. At the project level, we are providing dog patrolling, CCTV surveillance and security personnel with biometric monitoring. At the tower level, we are providing visitor management system, CCTV surveillance at every floor lobby and facial recognition system. At unit level, we will be providing geotags and video-based access. At the club level, we will be providing lifeguard at the swimming pool and facial recognition for access. This makes Godrej Habitat one of the most secured areas in the heart of Gurugram. Now coming to the clubhouse, the size of the club is 1858 square meters, which consists of several recreational, convenience and other indulgent activities. Godrej Habitat has a half Olympic sized swimming pool with a separate kids pool. It also has a multi-purpose hall which can be used as a banquet hall or an indoor badminton court. The club has several other amenities such as salon and spa, miniplex for the residents, gymnasium and library to add a few. It also has kids play area and indoor games. Let me now take you to the sample apartment of a 4 BHK unit which has a size of 178.11 square meters. It is available in tower number 1, tower number 3 and tower number 4. So as we enter into the sample flat through the foyer area, we see a massive L-shaped living and dining space. The living and dining area is attached with a massive balcony. In all the balconies, anti-skid tiles have been used. However, vitrified tiles have been used in the living area, dining area and the kitchen. Also, near to the entrance towards the right is a guest area with a guest bedroom, it has also got an attached balcony which are lined with anti-skid tiles. The guest washroom is fitted with all the fittings and have the same anti-skid tiles as of balcony. Attached with the living and dining area is the kitchen, and in the kitchen you will get granite slabs, sink, fittings and fixtures, and also there will be a gas pipeline connection. Ahead of the living and dining area is the second bedroom. It also has an attached balcony. It also has an attached washroom to it. At the end of the apartment are the last two bedrooms. This one is the third bedroom. The room is very spacious that a study table can be placed along with the bed for your kids. This bedroom too has a balcony attached. A spacious bathroom is attached with this room as well. Opposite to the third bedroom is the master bedroom, which is the largest bedroom in the apartment. It has its own personal walk-in closet, which leads to a spacious bathroom. The master bedroom is attached with a king-size balcony which overlooks the central green and the clubhouse. Just like all the other bedrooms, this too has a laminated wooden flooring. Thank you for taking this tour with me. Reach out to Godrej Properties for any queries and we will be happy to resolve them for you. We would be delighted to welcome you to one of the most secured address in heart of Gurugram.